Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Allen and I am with TransMed Health and Wellness Center, and I am joined today by Dr. Jody Caldwell. Hi Dr. Caldwell.
Good morning.
Good morning. And I'm really excited about this interview today. I'm actually just going to ask Dr. Caldwell a few questions because this is going to be a great opportunity for people to get to know you. And I know there's a lot of people that already know you, but for those who don't. And then we're also going to tell you a little bit about TransMed Health and Wellness Center. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started.
Great.
Awesome. Okay, Dr. Caldwell, as a primary care practitioner with over 30 years experience, what made you decide to step out of traditional medicine to mainly focus on functional medicine?
What's always been my love, I've always been doing functional medicine for the last 30 years, but it's never really been reimbursed by insurance. I'm really interested in getting to the source of the problem and the root of the disease rather than just treating symptoms. And so this gives me an opportunity in this practice to start really focusing on what I'm good at and sit down with my patients and find out what they individually need to help get their health back on track and maintain good health and wellness.
Awesome, awesome. And as I understand, TransMed Health and Wellness Center, we offer several great services, correct? And it's also known as a one-stop shop to health and wellness. But can you tell us a little bit about some of those various services that are offered here?
So not only are we going to have the traditional doctor functional medicine practice where I can see and evaluate patients and recommend treatments, but we're going to have a lot of ancillary services as well. We're going to have far infrared saunas, hyperbaric chambers, cryo machines, and float pools that help with stress and relaxation. And so a lot of different modalities will become available to the patients as we go forward.
Awesome. And for those who are unfamiliar with functional medicine, how would you describe it?
So functional medicine really is looking at getting to the root causes of the disease and addressing the underlying imbalances that cause the disease. So rather than just treating a specific disease entity or a group of symptoms with a medication, we're actually digging a little bit deeper and asking, why do you have this disease? Why are you sick? And in answering that why, we can get down to the root causes of the disease and address that. And that's when health really starts getting better.
I love it. This is so exciting. And what does functional medicine include and how does it work?
So functional medicine is taking science-based, it's a science-based protocol, and I'm looking at things through the traditional lens of a physician. I'm a family practice doctor with lots of experience, but I can also integrate into that other things like diet, nutraceuticals, different things that can work to start balancing the health.
Okay, awesome. And then how would someone know if functional medicine is right for them?
So the best patients that come for functional medicines are the ones that really want to take control of their health. They're going to be the ones that are going to be making the lifestyle changes. They're the ones that are going to have to change what they're eating, change some of their stress responses. I want patients that want to get well and want to find out how to get well, and then I can guide them in that journey so that they can now understand their body better and start overcoming some of the diseases that drag them down and keeping them from doing what they want to do in their lives.
And how can people reach you to schedule an appointment?
So the best way is to call the office. It's 936-441-8999 and talk to my receptionist, and Becky will be answering the phone, and she'll be able to guide you through what it's going to take to get an appointment set up.
Okay, and you guys will love Becky. She is awesome. She's wonderful. Actually, everyone who's on staff here is wonderful. And so my my last question for you is, what is the meaning of TransMed, and why did you choose that name for the clinic?
So TransMed is just a shortening of transforming lives. I mean, we want to be able to transform medicine. So I want to be able to take the wonderful things that medicine has to offer, but then add in the integrated things that can also help us to regain health. So it's a Transforming Lives Clinic, and that's a TransMed Clinic.
Awesome.
The TransMed Center.
And see, that's what we've got back here. TransMed, Transforming Medicine.
Right.
And I did notice on your card, and I absolutely love this, on the back it says, healthcare designed around you, right?
So we're all individuals, and our bodies respond to things in an individual way. And so that's part of the treatment with functional medicine, is to identify what the problems are that an individual is dealing with, and then helping to remove those so that the individual can get better. So it's all personalized medicine.
So be sure to give us a call today, where healthcare is designed around you. And Dr. Caldwell, I just want to say thank you so much for your time today. I always enjoy speaking with you, and it's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.